know what it is, man. Check it out, though. I'm finna
Come on, Nip. Get on the skateboard.
Where's that, man?
He's the biggest artist on World Star.
Neighborhood Nip Hussle, y'all know what it is. Slauson boys, all money in, no money out. We getting it in right now, man. You know, check us out.
Get on the skateboard.
Where the skateboard?
Right over there.
Oh.
Hood still riding the skateboard. I'm gonna put this up real quick. You're not gonna fall, he said.
I ain't going to no ramps, cuz.
Biggest artist on World Star. Oh man.
I'm gonna do a trick. You ride skateboards in the hood too, you feel me?
He said he ride skateboards in the hood.
We chilling though, you know?
Go do that. Go do that ramp right there.
Hey, girl, do that shit. Ain't no way. Do that shit, bro. No way. Hey. That shit was good though. What is that? It's a phone, cuz. I know what it is. We chilling, man. Having fun. World Star Hip Hop. Neighborhood Nip. Feel me? Bro, scared to get on. Come on, Steve. Your turn.
Hell no.